Hey, how's it going, everybody? So today I did a quick video for you guys over how to use a multimeter. Unfortunately, it was really windy, so I didn't get to check, well, not check, but didn't get to use all the features on the multimeter. But I used basically the basic ones that you can use. They're real easy to do, and so basically what I did was I went ahead and verified voltage on a receptacle. I also verified some voltage into my panel, and I also used the amp probe, which is kind of the most common things you will use on the multimeter as far as like in your home, residential wise. So I went ahead and did that, and I just want to say if you guys have any questions or anything, just comment below, and I'll try to either answer them through the comments, or if it's a pretty good topic, I can do a whole in-depth video over it, things like that. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Again, it's not the greatest because there was a lot of wind today, but I hope you guys enjoy, and here we go. Alright guys, so here we are. I got my multimeter right here. So again, it's just going to be a quick tutorial for you guys, just to kind of show you how easy it is to use a multimeter. I know it may be can look complicated, but it's pretty simple. I'm just going to show you guys the basics. I won't get into everything on here, but it's just to show you guys some of the basics. So here we are. So what we're going to go ahead and do right now is I'm going to test the voltage on this plug, right? So we're going to verify voltage, right? Most common household receptacles are going to be 120, right? So we're going to go ahead and go on the volts. So right now I am actually going neutral to ground, right? So you guys can't really see that well, but right now I should be getting nothing, right? Which is about what I'm getting. So then we're gonna go to neutral to hot, and as you guys can see, we got 120, right? And I'm also gonna go neutral, I'm gonna go hot to ground, right there, and we are getting it's not reading too well. We're getting 120. So there you have it. That's how you check just the receptacle. Right now I'm also going to show you guys some stuff in the actual electrical panel. So alright everybody, so here we are at the panel. It's pretty windy today. Unfortunately the panel is a mess. This was all existing. I have been yet to actually get in here and rewire, kind of, clean it all up. So hopefully one day here pretty soon I can get in here and clean it up. I did add a transfer switch and a surge protector, which I can get in more detail in other videos about that. But again, today we're just hitting on with the meter. So I just wanted to show you some functions. I'm going to try to at least, because the wind is crazy right now. So let's get my multimeter going. So I already showed you guys how to check voltage. It'd be the same thing here. Like if you were checking a receptacle, I'm going to check voltage on a breaker. Let's say right here we could go neutral to hot, right? And we're getting 120, right? Perfect. So again, this isn't complicated, it's fairly easy. Let's just say we want to make sure we're getting 240 volts out of let's say the furnace, right? And we are 240 volts. So it looks pretty good, right? So I also wanted to show you guys how the amp probe works. So basically with the amp probe, you can check amperage on the circuit you're using. So let's say let's go right here to the AC, right? And as you can see, I got my AC on right now, and we're using 13 amps, which is pretty neat, huh? And we can actually check, try to check the other phase. And we are 13 amps. So again, like let's say you're trying to add like on your lighting circuit, you're trying to add a couple soffit lights or something. What you're going to do is you can figure out what that circuit is, try to find it by turning it off, try to find out everything that's on it, right? So you can turn everything on and verify the amperage. So let's say it's like 4 amps and you're going to add 5 soffit lights. Well, most of them don't pull a lot of, they're LEDs usually now, so they don't pull a lot of watts or amperage at all. So you can easily add, let's say if you're pulling 4 amps with everything, you can easily add 5 lights. So that's another thing to kind of help you when you're trying to add stuff on your own. Just verify the amperage. You do not want to overload it, and you can also burn up the wire, and then if you burn up the wire too much, then you know that's going to be a whole other situation. But yeah, guys, that was just a real quick brief, just kind of the simple things on the multimeter. It's pretty windy today, so I'm just gonna have to cut this video pretty short. But I will have, again, if you guys ask some questions and stuff, feel free to, and I can do my next video over on, talk about whatever you guys want. All right, appreciate you guys watching. Thank you. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below, and please like and subscribe if you like the video and if you like the content. And I'll keep trying to push more content out for you guys. All right. So again, thank you guys for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button. Y'all have a great day.